Hello there, guys and gals. Good morning. Is it good morning or good afternoon? Hold on. I'll check my watch. Hi there. As you can see, just freshly cooked sardines in the pan, and on this side, scrambled egg with anchovies, squids, dried fishes like tuyo and bisugo. Come on, be the first one to taste, be the first one to bite. This could be my day 2, guys and girls, of not eating meat in observance of Holy Week. And yesterday was Ash Wednesday, okay? So it's already a few more minutes to be on our 12 p.m. Come on, guys, be the first one to taste, be the first one to bite. Love it. Love it. Day 2 of not eating meat.